Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a hair mask that I'll be doing with three ingredients: some plain yogurt, some black castor oil, and honey. Okay, I've heard a lot of great things about black castor oil, so today I'm going to try it out. I've got myself some plain yogurt. This is also very healthy for your diet, so I usually have this in my fridge. I like to eat it, and you can use it also for your skin and your hair. So I'll be using this in the hair mask. You can find it in pretty much any major supermarket, ShopRite, Macmart, any, even the local community supermarket. Some of them do stock it in their fridge. Okay, it's usually to be kept refrigerated, so check the fridge. And this one is Nani. It's one of my favorite ones that I usually buy whenever I go. Koala stocks it as well. So I'm using this in my hair mask, and then I'm also going to be using the black castor oil. Okay, the Jamaican black castor oil is, you know, something that I've heard so much about. So I'm going to try using that in my hair mask today, and let's see how my hair feels after that. The third ingredient I'm going to be using is honey. Okay, Green Butterfly stocks some of the best honey. So if you want some great honey, check out Green Butterfly. Okay, so I have everything mixing in here. I have 2 tablespoons of the yogurt, about 5 tablespoons of yogurt, and then about a tablespoon of castor oil as well. So I have 1 tablespoon of castor oil that goes in. I'm stirring it all together. Okay, stirring it all in here, and then I'm gonna put it in. And then of course I have my honey. Okay, so I'm gonna have about a tablespoon of honey in there. All right, now I'm gonna apply that in my hair, and then I'll let it sit for a while. Probably tie it up and let it start. I've already sectioned out my hair, so I'm just gonna do it section by section. And so you can apply it with your fingers, or you can, if you have one of these brushes, you can just use that to first put the mask in on the scalp, in between the lines of the scalp and at the roots before you actually start to come down. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm going to start with the bottom. I'm going to start applying the mask at the roots. After you're done with your scalp, move downwards until you reach the ends of your hair. Okay, so the hair mask is all in. I'm done applying it. I'm going to wait about 45 minutes. I'm going to wash my hands. My hands feel very sticky from all the honey. And then after that, I'm going to style with my hair butter. Okay, so I'm running the hair butter through my hair and just twisting it. And that's the only product I'm using today. Okay, so this is the hair butter by Green Butterfly. It's so, so good. and that's what I'm using, you know, after the mask. Now, people wonder why you should do a hair mask. It's very important to do hair masks once in a while, just to give your hair some extra nourishment, especially if you put chemicals in your hair, or if you dye your hair, or, if you have some certain types of hairstyles that wear at your hair or cause your hair to break. It's good for you to do a mask once in a while, and with various ingredients that would help to strengthen and nourish your hair. Now, this mask I did today was really, really good. My hair feels very, very soft. And what I really noticed was that, my hands feel very, very soft. Because once I had applied, I'd used my hands to, rub the mask in. And when I was done, I realized that I had been talking for a while, so I hadn't washed my hands. I was sitting here and, talking. And after washing my hands and washing my hair, my hands also feel really soft. So I can imagine that this treatment would be very good for your skin as well, using the yogurt and the honey and the castor oil. That was really, 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 really nice. So I'm twisting my hair now. I'm using the hair butter um, to my hair. So I take some butter, rub it in my hands, rub it in my hair, and then I twist. So this is what I'm doing. And my hair is still damp, it's not yet dry.